Hello, welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the Stitchery. Today is a completely different video than anything I've ever done on the channel before because I got a present. So last month, my sweet friend came over and she let me play with her Poscas because I've always wanted to try them. And so I got to, and I made, I'm gonna show you guys, no judgment. I am not an artist, no judgment. I made my little corgis. I had no sketches or anything. I was just using straight up paint pen, so I want some grace here. Anyway, I was playing with those and I liked them and I was thinking about getting some, and my mother found these. This is the new Sharpie version. Basically, this Sharpie kind of paint pen. Sharpie Creative Markers. Bullet tip, pops on light and dark surfaces. And it says back here, no prepping or priming required. So I guess you don't even have to shake them. Colors layer without blending. Boldly marks on paper, metal, wood, ceramic, glass, rock, and canvas. Water resistant and fade resistant. No bleed through on the paper. For best results, store markers horizontally. So, you guys want to play with some markers with me? If this isn't your kind of video, I have a million other videos on here you can go watch. But I thought it would be kind of fun. And, you know, during the summer, I wanted some videos that were just super fun. So, let's play with some new markers. Okay. So that didn't work. Got my paper here and my markers. So I just go, I guess. Okay. So that's the tip. Ooh. Oh wow, they feel so smooth. Wow. This is crazy. Oh, it's like butter. What? I don't love that shape. There we go. Oh, it's so pigmented. Sorry, you guys couldn't even see that. There we go. Being super vulnerable drawing on here. I don't let people see my art usually. So please be kind in the comments. Not an artist. But I do make little sketches once in a while. I'm a doodler. I'm not an artist, I'm a doodler. So. Okay. Now the question is, how long do these take to dry? I don't know. I see nothing in the instructions about how long it takes to dry. But I really want to try layering. But I'm nervous to try it too soon. Well, while we're waiting, maybe we'll do some color test swatches. Just to see what every color looks like first. That probably would have been a smarter move, huh? Ooh. So that's the orange. Ooh, the yellow's really bright. I like it. Wow, that was so smooth. It almost went away from me. Oh, I'm definitely using the green. Okay. Here's the turquoise. Love. Love, love, love. Gonna have to find a way to use that one too. They've got teal. We've got teal and turquoise in the same set. Yay! Oh yeah. Oh. Oh, look at that. Okay, we gotta do a close-up. Look at that. What? Gorgeous. Blue. Ooh. Do they have names? Or are you just supposed to know the color? Purple. Ooh, that was nice. Pink. Oh, I like that pink. It's like a bubblegum pink. That's pretty. Okay, here we go. White. I don't even know if it's going to show up. It does! You can see the white. What? I'm sorry, this impresses me. I love these. Dear Sharpie, make more colors. This is so great. Okay, let's add the red to our little swatch panel here so you guys can see all the colors. So these are all the colors that come in one set. Look how beautiful. You can see the white on my paper. That just blows my mind. Wow. Okay. So I'm thinking, let's do a little strawberry corgi. How cute would that be? So let's do some little leaves on your head. Well, it is layering. Might need a second coat, but it is layering. So let's try the white to give you a face. Oh no, my hand's shaking, no! Okay, let's do a little pink for the ears. Trying to stay away from that green. There we go. Just for the ears. And we still need to do some kind of muzzle. We do the little seeds. And just to use a new color, let's give you blue eyes instead of black. I want to outline the whole thing in black, but I think this one's too thick. I think I'm going to get a Sharpie pen so that we stay with the same brand, of course. Here's my Sharpie Ultra Fine. We'll use that. So I really like these. They're super pigmented. They're really smooth, really easy to use. You don't have to shake them or anything. They layer really, really nicely. Like, look, you can't even see the red through that white. That's impressive. I think I might need to do one more layer of the green, but honestly, I think they're great. So I'm not an artist. I don't have an artist critique of these kind of supplies or anything, but I thought it would be a fun video, and I really wanted to try them, and I love office and art supplies. Like, it is a deep love of mine, even though I'm not really an artist. I still like to play around with the stuff. So if you guys want me to make more videos where I just test art supplies and stuff, let me know. So thank you for watching me draw. So thank you for coming today and watching me draw and play with my new little paint pens. And I say yes on this product. It is so smooth. I don't know. Are they better than Posca's? I don't know. But again, I'm not an artist, so maybe you should go to another channel. There is somebody who made a video about these versus Posca's, and if I remember, I will link them down, their video down below, because they did a full, thorough review of the two. But if you're looking for just trying a paint pen that doesn't make a mess, you don't have to pump, and is really, really smooth and easy to use, I'm gonna recommend these. I am not affiliated, but if I find a Amazon link or something, I will link it down below and you guys can try them for yourself. So thank you so much for watching today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye!